WD Black SN850X 8TB review. Is this the ultimate PS5 and gaming SSD upgrade? Ever feel like your console or PC is slowing you down right when the action heats up? Drop a comment if this resonates. Lagging load times, full storage, and freezing screens can ruin gaming or editing sessions. If you're tired of juggling space or waiting endlessly, this WD Black SN850X 8TB NVMe SSD might just be the performance rescue you've been craving. Deadlines, huge game libraries, and massive media files can feel impossible to manage. Imagine having 8 terabytes of ultra-fast storage, no more deleting favorites, and load times that barely exist. With blazing PCIe Express Gen4 speeds up to 7,200 megabytes per second and an integrated heatsink for optimal thermals, this SSD promises to supercharge your gaming PC or PS5 without breaking a sweat. Meet the WD Black SN850X 8TB, a gaming and content creation powerhouse. Designed for PlayStation 5 and high-end PCs, its PCI Express Gen 4x4 interface delivers sequential read speeds up to 7,200 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 6,600 megabytes per second. The included heatsink ensures sustained peak performance during intense sessions, while its M.2 2280 form factor makes installation seamless. One PS5 gamer shared, "Finally, I don't have to uninstall anything. All my games fit and run perfectly." Content creators praise the rapid file transfers for 4K and 8K editing. WD Black dashboard adds customization and Game Mode 2.0, optimizing load times automatically. Built with TLC 3D, NAND, and Western Digital's controller, it guarantees consistent, reliable speed. Bonus tip: monitor drive health and tweak RGB lighting, heatsink version, to match your setup aesthetics. From huge game libraries to large project files, this SSD balances massive capacity with extreme speed, making lag, bottlenecks, and slow load times a thing of the past. Why are enthusiasts and professionals raving about the WD Black SN850X 8TB? Industry analysts call it the pinnacle of consumer Gen 4 SSDs, combining enormous storage with elite-level speed. Tech influencers rave about dramatic reductions in game load times and flawless PS5 integration. Hardware experts highlight its exceptional sustained write speeds, perfect for gamers and video editors alike. PS5 users note how effortlessly it expands storage without sacrificing performance. Installation was simple, and my games run as if they're on the internal SSD. PC enthusiasts love transferring large project files in seconds, while the heatsink keeps temperatures low even during marathon sessions. Tom's Hardware calls it a formidable choice for high-capacity storage, and Tweaktown rates it 95%, hailing it as the new king of SSDs. Imagine launching every favorite title instantly, editing 8K footage without pause, and finally having a single drive that handles it all. Which feature would upgrade your setup first? Massive 8 terabyte storage, extreme speed, or PS5 ready heatsink? Comment below and join thousands already enjoying elite performance. Don't wait. Level up your PS5 or gaming PC with the WD Black SN850X 8TB NVMe SSD today. Limited stock means this high-speed, massive capacity drive won't last. Join thousands of gamers and content creators enjoying lightning-fast load times, huge libraries, and reliable performance. Click now to unlock a premium experience that transforms gameplay and workflow alike. Don't just upgrade. Dominate your digital space with seamless speed and unparalleled storage.